Good day, everyone. Learn how to set DP on WhatsApp in iPhone, or I would say how to set profile picture in WhatsApp in iPhone. So we will open the WhatsApp, and at the bottom right corner where we have the settings, we'll click on that, and then you will find your profile icon right there. You can select the avatar and you can create the avatar. Else, you simply click on that profile icon and then click on edit. Now, here you can take the photo, choose the photo, and you can also create AI image. So I'm using iPhone 16, so it is giving me an option to create AI image. Do let me know which version of phone you're using and do you get this AI thing or not. So this is how you can change the WhatsApp DP, WhatsApp profile picture. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.